I'm Anthony D'Souza from Ambeli. This is regarding recently there was one congratulatory reference which was raised by the speaker in the Goa Assembly regarding a young pilot from Sangli. Good. Congratulations. But my question is, why only Sangli? There are 39 more constituencies of Goan Assembly. Why not every MLA take one reference of their constituency level in each profession? There are more than 35-40 professions. So let us say if 40 professions with 40 constituencies, if we start raising at constituency level, see the amount of waste of time that Goa Assembly is doing. And these congratulatory references were supposed to be done for the people who have excelled absolutely beyond doubt at a state level or at a national level. We have reached down to constituency level. Tomorrow what if people start raising congratulatory references at village level? There are more than 200 villages, let's say. 200 into 40 profession. More than 8,000 congratulatory references. Where is the time for the Goa Assembly to run the business? There are more pertaining issues of environment. Instead of taking care of those, instead of talking that, the assembly sessions are being reduced to just 1 or 2 days. By wasting the time of the assembly, this type of things are criminal offenses like to the people of Goa. There is a lot of other good business to be done in the assembly, and this is setting a wrong precedent. Tomorrow there are so many children who are being just left out. Does it mean the other MLAs are not interested in the constituency youth? So I would request that if such congratulatory references are being set as a trend, please do it for all the 40 constituencies, do it for all the professions. There are people like beauticians, there are fashion designers, there are javelin throwers. Every constituency, every village will have a youth who's young. So either we do it for all or we don't do it for all. So this is my humble request that such waste of time in the assembly should not be done. And if it is being done, please do it for all. It should not be selective to Sangli. Why only Sangli? Why not Veli? Why not Naveli? Why not Benali? Why not Porori? So all this need to be done. So I request all the MLAs, either you all do it for all or don't do such petty things to waste the time of the assembly. Thank you very much.